BEVALDIA has a diving station in West Africa in the area of Lomé, Togo, composed of a permanent diving team fully trained and approved by all IACS with great experience in underwater services and especially in repairs and ship maintenance, and is ready to provide its services according to ISO standards to all of our good customers. Our station is equipped with state-of-the-art equipment that is constantly maintained and renewed to follow the new technology standards and whichever new developments are imposed according to the vessel's needs. This is an extremely competitive station that provides high-quality underwater services in short time. Furthermore, BEVALDIA has its own local agency so that it can solve whichever problem that may arise to the vessels with the LPA or to serve the vessels at the Anchorage of Lomé without any delays, while it can accommodate for crew change, provisions, and whatever is necessary to facilitate the vessel's call to the Anchorage of Lomé. A large number of vessels have been served for many years by our diving teams in Lomé without any claims regarding the quality of our services, which are undoubtedly of high quality, and can pride ourselves that we possess the best diving team in all the area of West Africa. Moreover, our company has many times been called upon to provide solutions for dry services through a class certification process which has always been accomplished with absolute success. Working with the most experienced company in the field of underwater services for your vessel calls to Lomé for excellent performance, speed, and for solutions regarding agency services. Lomé is an extremely safe destination for your good vessels. Send your inquiries to info@bevaldia.com or give us a call at 30-210 400 1120 or 30-210 400 4470 or 30-210 958 2176.